Welcome to the all viewers and well-wishers of the bird. The purpose of my lecture is learn the knowledge from the word and return the knowledge to the word. Motto of my life is learn, earn and return. As I have learned a lot, earned a lot, and now it's the time to return a lot. The topic of today is discovery of Dr. Nasir. Since long I have been reading this, that it is not always true that you are right and the rest of the world is wrong. But it may be true sometime that you are right and the rest of the world is wrong. This has led to the greatest discoveries of the world, which are now the universal truth. This gave me the encouragement, why not I can do this in my field, which I did in my 35 year of clinical experience. So, among the different topics and the lectures that is discovery of Dr. Nasir, I have already given a lecture on the glucopenic headache and also one of a lecture on tissue paper mania and the others which are coming soon. These are the Piaget syndrome, hypersmosiosis, hypopiesiosis, new and the novel method of giving insulin. But today's lecture is the woman's lip reality. No one have ever given lecture on this topic, and I am perhaps the first one discussing this topic. So, woman's lip reality. Woman lips are visible body parts at the mouth of the human's lips, as you can see in women and in men. Lips are soft, movable, and serve as the opening for food intake and articulation of the sound and responsible for the speech. Woman lips are always sexually very attractive for male of every age group. These are being liked by males from ancient times to nowadays. They serve as a biological indicator of the woman's health and fertility. These looks more beautiful when they are covered with the lipstick. As one can see the woman's lips, these are always very attractive in which position, whether closed or slight open. So the woman lips do use different shades of the lipstick to make them more beautiful and attractive. Some of the shades are really mind-shaking and act as the bomb to the mind of the male. Human lips are tactile sensory organs. Lips are very sensitive to touch, warmth and cold. Current in the lips, which when excites is about 1.4 volt, near to the 1.5 volt of the battery cells, and because of the high number of the nerve endings, lips are an erogenous zone and that can excite any person anytime. The lips play a crucial role in the kissing and other acts of the intimacy, and one can see the different shades of the lipstick which are being used by the female just to make it attractive for the male or just to have their own beauty. Size of the lips also matter. Men find a woman's full lips to be more sexually attractive. Lip size is like to sexual attraction in both men and women. Women with the full lips are courageous and confident. The lips may temporarily swell during sexual arousal due to the engorgement with the blood supply. So the more blood is going and rushing, causing it to swell. Hot, pouting lips get men in mood for love. They hold secret to a woman's sexual enjoyment. Study women with a prominent and pointy tubercle, Cupid's bow are 12 times more sexy than the ordinary simple lips. Size and the types of the lips one can see. The natural lips, small lips in size, thin upper lip and the large lower lip, then full lips which are of having very good size of upper and lower lip, full lips, then thin lips and thin lower lip. These are the different lips one can see in the different woman. Similarly, full lower lip and rounded cupid lip, and these are all the different types and the size of the lips. The juncture where the lips meet surrounding skin of the mouth are is called vermilion border, and typically reddish area within border is called vermilion zone. The vermilion refers to the colored portion of the either upper of the upper or the lower lip. Skin of the lips is very thin. It is about 3 to 5 cell thick as compared to the typical face skin, which is about 16 cells thick. Lip skin contains fewer melanocytes, cells which produce melanin pigment and give the black or the dark color to the skin. These are very few in case of the lips. Blood vessels appear through the skin of the lips, which give the red coloring of the lips because of no less melanin and more blood vessel. Here one can see the different structure of the lip, that is philtrum, upper lip, and different parts of the upper lip and lower lips, which makes the total lips border and the oral commissure. Structure with the darker skin color, this effect is less prominent. Here skin of the lip contain more melanin and thus is usually darker. The lip skin have no sweat gland and body oils, so lips dry out faster and become chapped more easily, and the people are using these cold cream and other cream to just get rid of the chapping. The upper lip, upper half is of the unusual, usual skin color of the skin which is continued with the upper lip, while the lower half is a markedly different. Red colored skin tone more similar to the color of the inside of the mouth, and that is continued with the lip. Structure, here again you can see the different parts, and the different parts have different names: cupid bow, lateral commissure, vermilion border, and other. That is just for the medical students and the medical person to know the different parts of the lips. Have you seen this kind of building? Anyone who have made it, it is really marvelous, and one can only think of making it, and those who have made it, it is really spectacular to see. So the functions of the lips are food intake, breastfeeding, lip close, mouth airtight, shut, making a funnel with the lips. So the suction of the mouth is increased, and that is essential for the babies to breastfeed. Also, sucking on a straw to drink liquid is because of the lips. Articulation, the lips create different sounds, mainly labial, bilabial when the two lips are involved, labial when one is involved. The lips enable whistling and performing wind instruments like trumpet, clarinet, flute, and saxophone. These are all blown with the lips, and the air released from the lips. Here one can see the function: the kid suckling the mother breast, then straw to have the fluid from the different parts. Similarly, the clarinet, the saxophone, the trumpet, and the flute, these are all blown via the lips used and pushing the air through the different instruments to have their. Then the different functions continued. The tactile organ, the lip has many nerve endings and reacts at the tactile tensions, is also very sensitive to the warmth and the cold. facial expression. Lips contribute facial expression, express emotions like a smile or the frown, or you are in anger or you are excited. Then erogenous zone, lips of the young woman wearing red lipsticks are the bombshell for the males and that always attract the male of every age group. People with a hearing loss lip read to understand speech without perceiving actual sound. Just looking at the movement of the lips, they are able to understand the speech of someone. Then one can see the functions of the lips, which can be read by the lip movement by the other person, that what he or she want to say by the different movement of the lips. The other is able to lip read and to understand what someone is going to say or want to say. Celebrities with the hottest lip, the best one is the Angelina Jolie, Jessica Alba, Katrina Kaif from India, Brigitte Bardot, Bardot, Brigitte Bardot, sorry, Sonam Kapoor, Preeti Zinta, Marilyn Monroe, and Rihanna. They all have very beautiful lips for which they are very famous. One can see the Angelina Jolie, Brigitte Bardot, Katrina Kaif, Jessica Alba, and Preeti Zinta, Sonam Kapoor, Marilyn Monroe, and Rihanna with typical black shade of the lips. Then pierced lip. Some people do have the piercing and using the different things to be attached to their lips to just cut the increase attraction of the lips. These are called the pierced lip, also called the lip augmentation, is done for cosmetic reason. Women use the different kinds of the piercing to make them more attractive. Here one can see the pierced lip, the different kind of the piercing is being used by the different people and different lips at the different level of the lips. Here one can see a beautiful flower. It looks like to be an animal, but the flower giving the shape of an animal. It is just the creativity of the God, and one can appreciate only the God Almighty's creativity. Now, the woman's lip reality. Today I am going to tell you something very true and different about the woman lips. If you do see the woman lips without lipstick, you will feel ashamed yourself that you were so mad about these lips, which were looking like the bombshell and very attractive with the lipstick over them. But if you see these lips repeatedly and routinely without lipstick, you will lose charm to have them. That is why the women with the most beautiful lips have been divorced, like Angelina Jolie. But still people are mad about them because they are like the starter of the sex, as the soup is the starter of the meal. But facts are that in reality women had three kinds of the lips, and this is my personal original research, and I have divided these lips into three tribes. DD means dark upper lip and the dark lower lip. DP means dark upper lip and the pink lower lip. PP means pink upper lip and the pink lower lip. I have done the original research at my clinic to see the exact percentage of these female which have been found DD, that is dark upper lip and dark lower lip, and 40% of the female DP, dark upper lip and the pink lower lip, and 64% female, and the pink upper lip and the pink lower lip in 21%. But in fact, when we just see the lips, we start kissing without looking whether pink or dark, but just after finishing sex, see and note the color of the lips to appreciate my research, and you will feel ashamed that how much crazy you was about these lips. But in reality, if you see, that looks like to be an ordinary lips. So dark upper lip and dark lower lip, as you can see, and just you can see before applying the lipstick and after applying the lipstick, you can see the difference, which is unimaginable, and one can't believe that. Now, DP, dark upper lip and pink lower lip, as you can see, and then these have been hidden by the lipstick to just have the pretty and beautiful look. Similarly, one can see the darker lip in actual and then applied lipstick, and you can see before and after the pink upper lip and pink lower. These are really the beautiful lips. One always like it because they don't need to have any kind of the lipstick, and they look very charming and attractive. But these are very low percentage of those who have these lips. Lip actions and the movements. Pursing lips or hiding her lips like that means she is uncomfortable. She is moistening her lips. It's a positive signal. Even if she pursing her lips, it is still a positive signal, though uncomfortable. If a woman is thinking about kissing you, she may start licking or rubbing her own lips. Biting lips when a woman is nervous about reaction to something. What does it mean if a girl touches her lips? So, lip action and movements, that is just going to attract you. Lip action, every woman will touch her face or lick or bite her lips while interacting with a potential love interest to indicate that she wants to be kissed. When a girl bites your lip while kissing is most erotic ones, and she is ready to have sex with you. A woman's mouth becomes dry when she is excited. Licking her lips means she is aroused or she is consciously drawing your attention to you. Then men found ladies in red lipstick more attractive as compared to the other color. So one can see the different lip actions and the movement which is attracting you and calling you. The take-home message is, do not be very much impressed by bombshell lips with lipstick, which are very erotic when going for sex. See them also when she has taken bath after the sex. So that is the end of my lecture. Hope so. If you like so, then you can subscribe or share it with the others and like it. If you don't like it, don't hesitate to tell me anything which can improve my lecture. And at last, I am thankful for sparing time and giving me this listening and seeing lecture. Thanks.